Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2019 Honda Fury Chopper. 1,300 cc's of gorgeous custom style, fuel injected, liquid cooled, and shaft drive. You get custom styling with Honda reliability. Need I say more? Only 1,335 miles. Come by, make your chopper dreams come true for just $99.99. This bike is so cool. It's got a beautiful dark metallic blue paint scheme, LED headlight. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.